Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Reels not showing up on a new account. I recently made a brand new Instagram account to get more traffic from my online business. Unfortunately, I noticed that Reels were not showing up anywhere on this new account, even though I did have them on my original account. I spent a few hours trying to find the solution. I tried logging out, reinstalling the app, but nothing worked. For a moment, I thought it was hopeless. All I could do was wait. But then I finally found the solution, and it is a super easy, super quick fix. I'm going to jump into my phone in just a second to show you the solution, but if this does fix your problem like it fixed mine, please drop a like on the video so YouTube shows it to more people. I noticed a ton of other people online struggling with this problem, so I just want to make sure this video gets out to everyone who needs to see it. All right, let's jump right into it. Okay, so I'm on my brand new Instagram account. I just made this yesterday. As you can see, I do not have a Reels tab on the bottom of the screen. If I go into my Explore tab, I'm not even shown any Reels, just photos, and these are just regular Instagram videos, but there's no Reels on this account. Now this fix only works if you have another account on your phone that does have access to Reels. So I'm gonna switch over to my personal account. And you can quickly switch between accounts by just double tapping the profile image on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So this is my personal account I've had since 2011. As you can see, I do have Reels showing up on this account.
Over the past few.
I can scroll through them, and I can just click on the Reels tab here, and now I have access to Reels. So to fix this problem, all we're gonna do is just double tap on the profile picture on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. It's going to switch me over to my other account. This is my new account. And now, as you can see, we are in the Reels area of Instagram. I have full access. I can like videos, I can leave comments. And now you probably want to post a Reel. So all you have to do is just tap on the camera icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen. And now I have full access to film. I can edit Reels. I can upload from my camera roll, whatever I want to do, right? Full access. If you look at my profile, I did this method and I was able to post a Reel. I just posted it to test it out. It totally works. You see I still don't have access to the Reel tab on this account, but if I go back in the search bar or the Explore tab, then I can still get back into Reels. If I leave, I don't have a way to get back into there, so what you have to do is just go to your account that does have Reels. When you're in the Reels tab, you double tap your profile picture on the bottom right to switch over to the account that normally doesn't have Reels, and you should be in the Reels area of the app. From here you can interact with Reels, you can swipe through them, or you can tap the camera on the top to create your own. I hope this video was what you're looking for. If it helped you out, please like the video so it can be shown to more people. Now I have a feeling I'll get a lot of random search traffic to this video, so I'm not sure what type of content you guys are interested in, but I usually talk about affiliate marketing on this channel. So if you do want to learn more about starting your own profitable online business with affiliate marketing, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If that's not your thing, don't worry about it. Thanks for watching the video. Go enjoy your new Reels feature. Peace.